how to order medicines and essentials on Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can directly order them. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the top, you can see the search bar. Simply tap on the search bar and here you can directly search for medicine. So, different medicine option will pop up. Now, simply select the one or you can even write the name. Here, I'm tapping on one. So, after you do that, you can view the product and simply tap on add to cart. So after doing this will be directly added to your cart. Here on the bottom, tap on cart and at last you can directly add all the payment methods and order all the medicines and essential things that you want. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.